What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna start the process on the hardtail. Obviously the motor has come out to be able to chop the frame, but most important thing, we found an issue with this engine. So the casting for the rear mount, it has a crack. I don't know if you guys can tell, but right there where my finger is, there's a crack, and it's that one, and then the one at the bottom looks about the same. I don't know if it's fully snapped or it's just cracked. Either way, it's a good thing that we're pulling the motor so we can check it out. The other side looks fine, but let's say it is cracked or snapped, whatever it is. Tomorrow I'll be taking it to our friend Nick, which he has a TIG welder and he has a lot of experience welding. So he said he'll give it a shot, fix it, and then we should be back in business. This is the first time I'm pulling an engine out of a motorcycle. I've never done this before, so it doesn't seem too difficult, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 mounting points. I mean, I've taken engines out of cars and done engine swaps and do automatic to manual conversions. So, this is just new. It should be easy, but it's always fun when this is your first time. If you guys know what I mean. All right, let's get to it. Fuck. Okay, another update. We have finally mounted the engine. It should come out now. And sad but true, it did snap on the casting. So hopefully Nick can replace it. I mean, he can fix it. If not, there's gonna be a kink on this road. But for now, hopefully Nick can fix this. Alright guys, is Gio strong enough to pull this engine by myself? Well, not the best, but got it out. Well, we have the engine out, which is one of the biggest things right now. And tomorrow I'll be going to Nick and hopefully he can fix the broken part on the engine. And then we're gonna go from there. All right guys, so yeah, the motor's out. It's been already a few weeks, maybe 3 weeks, 2 weeks, 3 weeks since the last clip. But Nick was able to fix the casing on the engine. He used a hardtail to make sure it was straight. So this is done, and now I'm gonna be cutting up the frame right now, mount the engine, and then slide the hardtail. Another update from the last time you guys saw this bike, the Yamaha Virago. It's not here no more. The Honda Rebel is gone, and we got the new bike. So this is the bike that we bought in LA is the one with the long front end. So long story short, you guys can see it, right? The forks gave up pretty much, and we had to swap this shorter forks, which kind of sucks because the long forks, you know, they were fucking sick. But you know, the bike still rides, and it runs. I also painted it. It's no more rusty. I tried to do some DIY striping, and you know, just playing with the spray can and see what I can do. And it looks better. It's not perfect, but it looks better than the rust and stuff. I wish I still had the long forks, but I will get long forks eventually. So, but we'll do another video with this and the other bikes. I just cut the frame. This is kind of crazy, just chilling right there. Just got to double check everything is straight. Sand it a little bit, grind it a little bit if anything, and then just clean the tubes right now because the engine's not there, and that will help it. So yeah, we're making progress. Nah. Okay, so we have the engine ready to weld. I'm gonna throw some tacks on it and then just try to weld as much as I can. Got the welder. I gotta use the generator because I keep breaking the breaker. Okay, so after some welding and, you know, just double checking, the Sportster is hardtail. So obviously is the other piece over here, and now, you know, I threw some welds here, over there, just kind of sanded it right now, just so it, you know, it's like smooth, but it's not smooth. You can still feel the weld. Same thing on the top. You can feel the weld, you know. I didn't like grind down the weld or anything, just smoothed it, tried to follow, you know, just make it smooth, whatever. Anyway, I know this video is probably all over the place, and I probably didn't film a lot of me doing this, but it is what it is. It's a long process pretty much, and it's just tedious. And then yep, so it's welded. And the next, I'm not gonna put it in this video because I gotta run some errands, but I got the engine right there. So maybe today, if I have time, I'll put the engine back in and start putting things together. And then once the engine's in and I get the front wheel on, you know, whatever, like back wheel stuff, I still got to modify the caliper for this. And then I got to put the oil tank on and weld the tabs, make sure it is where I want it to. And yeah, so I don't know, we might or might not take this to Born Free. It is currently like May 18th, I think, when I'm filming this. So that means we got about a month to finish this, or less than that. I don't know. I mean, if I do take it to Born Free, it's not gonna be painted or anything. It's just, hey, get on the road and ride it. Hope everything works, because this engine, we know it runs, but I have not ridden this motorcycle. We just made the engine idle, and that's pretty much it. Revved it, but we haven't taken it on the street to know if all the gears work. But you know, we'll see what happens, guys. All right, guys, stay tuned for the next update and probably more videos. All right.